here. Thank you very much. And I'm Vijay Kumar Mikilneti. I head the air conditioning business for TCL India, as well as I'm the senior marketing manager for TCL India. So today here in Chennai, we are having our new range of AC lineup that you can see over here. The launch over here. Post this press meet, we are having the dealer meet also, where we are showcasing our product to our channel partners. So I take you through the presentation. Before I go there, I just want to showcase you the TCL journey in terms of a storyboard. So can you help me with the storyboard? And TCL, our global sales from Q1 to Q3 in 2020 is about 17.32 TV million sets, which we grow by 14.4%. This is our global TV sales figure. And as well as TCL, if we consider globally what is our performance and which position we are. In US, we are a number 2 TV brand. Australia, we are number 2 TV brand. Philippines, we are number 2 TV brand. France, we are number 2 TV brand. Saudi Arabia, we are number 3, and Brazil, we are a number 4 TV brand. Now coming into the product reviews, these are the global product reviews that we got good applaud for our product and the new models that we launched. We thank you all the global product review companies which gave a good ratings for us. Now we excite the fans around you. Like you know, TCL is a very young organization. We have our fan base, very young fan base. So to excite them globally, we took the theme as sports and we started associating with sports. We associated with football, we associated with basketball, ice skating, hockey. Also in India, you see cricket is the big sport, and TCL has been associated with cricket in form of IPL, where last year we sponsored Sunrisers Hyderabad, and this year also we are sponsoring Sunrisers Hyderabad. The reason behind sponsoring Sunrisers Hyderabad is, as you saw in the storyboard, we have invested in our TCL Technology Park in Tirupati, wherein we are associating with Sunrisers Hyderabad. 5 lakhs of AC. That is our annual total production capacity, 1.75 lakhs. Coming into our service network, we have about 1400 plus service centers and 1400 plus service engineers and 457 service centers catering service to Indian consumers. So now Make in India initiative, like you have seen in the video, TCL has invested in Make in India as a support from the central government and state government. We have invested in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh state, wherein in 153 acres, this tech park is going to be established. 2018, December 22nd, we have done the groundbreaking ceremony. And then we started the work. This is about 2,400 plus crore investment, which gives direct and indirect employment of 8,000 people. The fullest capacity, once the fullest capacity of this factory is achieved, it is about 8 million panels, that is from 5-inch panel to 65-inch panels. This is going to be the one such kind of factory in India, and we are expecting it to be the first lot of production to be live by July 2021. We have delayed by 6 months because you all know the global situation due to Corona, lockdown, supply chain breakdown.
A 5-star series can work at a minimum 12 Hz frequency operation and can go, power consumption can go as low as 300 watts, 0.3 unit per hour. So this is something that we have introduced as in our this year lineup. Second issue which customers were facing, that once the temperature rises beyond 40-45 degrees, the AC tend to lose its cooling capacity. So we launched ACs this year, the entire lineup, which does not derate till 50 degree and machines keep on working till 60 degree. So all our machines are designed as per T3 temperature conditions. Machines will keep on working till a high ambient temperature of 60 degree. Third issue which customer was majorly facing was that inverter AC doesn't used to cool very fast. So we designed an algorithm where the compressor used to start with full frequency, and if the machine inlet temperature is 27 degree, within 30 seconds, machine will get the outlet temperature to 18 degree. A drop of 9 degree within 30 seconds. This is one amongst the quickest that Indian market has ever seen with respect to inverter ACs. Then one more problem which customers were facing till now, once AC goes wrong, no one could diagnose, or it was very difficult for the technician to diagnose what is issue with my AC. So now we have designed a auto error diagnosis feature where you are seeing the temperature of AC strikes directly to customer's face, which customers were not liking. So we designed a patented technology which we will be introducing this year. This will be available in T-Pro series, Ocarina lineup series, where we have designed small holes in the louvers which will provide a diffused, a gentle breeze. So the draft will not hit the customer face directly. Then all our machines are equipped with iFeel powered remote. Means wherever you are sitting, where the remote is kept, remote will keep on communicating with machine every 5 minutes, and once the desired temperature is set, where the remote is kept, machine will automatically slow down its speed. Means compressor will automatically adjust its power consumption. Heat cycle, so it is as good as your oil type heaters. We will also be introducing cassette type, means commercial air conditioners, which will be available in capacity ranging from 1.5 ton to 4 ton. 1.5 and 2 ton will be single phase machine, and 3 ton 4 ton will be for commercial use a 3 phase machine. Flow standing ACs will also be available this year. So 2 ton will come with single phase power supply, and 4 ton will come with 3 phase power supply. So encapsulating all the features, and before revealing the price, I request to play one video so that all the features can be covered in that video.
Smart connectivity. TCL AI ultra-inverter air conditioners are a real game changer when it comes to smart home cooling. Become a smart home connectivity with voice commands through TCL AI enabled TV. They can be controlled from anywhere across the world with the TCL Home app.
Available at 31,990, and 2 ton 3-star smart AC will be available for customer at 49,990. Five-star AC 1.5 ton will be available for customer at a price of 35,990. Thank you.
You can set the temperature, you can change fan mode. Turn on TCL AC. Now I'm going to show you how to set the temperature. TCL. If you forgot to turn off your air conditioner, if you went out, don't worry. You can access your AC anywhere across in the global. Just you can turn on, you can turn off, you can access whatever the features available in the remote controller, like these all functions. It is available with our app only. You can control through our application.